Hello, my name is Shivam Baheti. I enrolled in the data analyst program by Unified Private Limited Mentor. It was a great program and I got a lot of things to learn. I am very grateful for the opportunity that I was provided with. I learned a lot of new skills. I learned so many from the Python programming, Pandas, Seaborn libraries, statistical math, and I learned Tableau. The program was great. The videos, the lessons, the tutoring was very great. I learned a lot from this program. uh, from this lecturing and all, I was able to do two projects on market analysis and supply chain management, where I gathered the data, I did the data processing, data cleansing, and also I did the exploratory data analysis, and I made the data visualization graphs and all the line charts, bar graphs, histograms, pie chart, scatter graphs, many things. Then we did feature engineering. I also did deployment of the task. It was a great course and great learning opportunity. Thank you.